It's funny, when I did a video, and part two is coming real soon, ladies and gentlemen. And the video that I did was, it talked about how you getting your PMP or your CAPM, but mostly it was around PMP, and how we sometimes can fall into our own success trap. What I mean by that is that we could go after and study for the PMP, pass the PMP, but forget about the reason, or I shouldn't even say the reason, but going back to revisit the information and studying the information effectively. And it so happened, one of my favorite models while I was studying the PMP was the Tuckerman model. And now the team has to adjust, or that person has to adjust around the team. I've seen it both ways. And what I've learned along the way is when new team members come in, you have to find ways in order to get the team collectively to stay on the same track.